Goodness gracious. That was some pretty serious power. Yeah, I was pretty far away for that one. Put a longer fuse and I shot off probably 30 feet back behind a ginormous tree. So I was safe. But this I loaded with about 2.5 teaspoons of black powder, and I put a AA battery in it, and I put that was kind of as the AA battery acted as a kind of a wad almost to help push this piece of ready rod here, and it worked pretty nicely. I fired maybe 8 shots out of this thing so far, and the only thing that makes the gunpowder compress and build up enough pressure to make it really shoot is that piece of ready rod there. And it looks like it's almost bent a little bit. Man, that was pretty loud. Looks like it embedded itself in that side of the tree about 3/4 of an inch. That's pretty crazy. And then it shot right through this piece of 3/4 inch plywood. Oh man, into this tree a bit. Yeah. So I got it out, and it was about this deep in the tree. Keep in mind, I had a bolt on the end, the 1/2 inch bolt or bigger, probably bigger, yeah. But so I couldn't get the 1/2 inch bolt out, so it's still in the tree, about that deep in the tree. I just had to unthread it from unthread the red piece of ready rod, the bolt, to get it out. So this thing is slightly bent. But yeah, that was pretty crazy. Man. Yeah. This thing is just a piece of 1/2 inch plumbing pipe. It seamed, so it's not very strong. So I added a piece of 3/4 inch over the end of this, and I welded that to the piece of 1/2 inch. And the end cap I filled with some weld up to here, so because it was pretty thin in the back, so I filled that with weld and welded that to the piece of 1/2 inch, and then welded the piece of 1/2 inch to the 3/4 inch to the end cap on this side. So it's pretty beefy. It weighs a pretty good amount. But that was just a test, pretty much, to see what this thing could take, and it doesn't appear to have cracked at all. Yeah, this is a neat little cannon. I wanted to build one of these for the longest time, and I finally got around to it. Yeah, I built this thing in like half an hour, so I just making the black powder takes a couple hours, so. But yeah, anyway, pretty cool. And if I post this video, I'm sure it's going to be pretty short because I didn't record building this, but I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. This would be a muzzleloader. There's no way to load it from the breech. So yeah, this doesn't have to have any length requirements or anything, but it is like 20 some inches. So yeah, pretty cool.